We offer a diverse range of courses across the department, ranging from HND Furniture Restoration, HND Furniture Craftsmanship with Design, Interior Design from NQ to HND. We offer product design, model making for TV and film, jewellery, applied arts and BA Honours in Design Practice.
During school I wasn't really the most academic. I struggled with like maths and physics, etc. And I was always good at art and like my tech subject. I noticed product design when I was in 5th year, and then next thing I know, I just really got into it, and yeah, here I am. Some of the things I like about my course are the independence and creativity of it. You always have like that freedom to do what you want, but also you've always got that help if you do mess up or like you do get like designer's block. And there's always a challenge, no matter what, there's always a wee kick. Every time I do a design project and I finish it and I submit it, I know I'm just that wee bit better than I was before and more confident in myself.
I love interior design, and the thing I like most about it would be how collaborative it is with other industries, and you're all going for an end goal to make spaces amazing and beautiful and fit for purpose for everyone involved. I would describe my course as being very in-depth. There's a lot of technical aspects to it with plans and sections and technical drawings, but it's not as scary as you think. It's actually really fun.
I like sparkly things, most people do. I've always been quite into kind of different jewels and emeralds and things like that. Our course is very practical, like it's very hands-on. If you want something, you can make it just there and then. You've got all the facilities for it. We've got casting facilities and different materials, and they're very, very generous with the materials that you're given for this course. It's a very varied course, and you can really get into whatever you want to do. And I love that whatever I make, I actually wear and use.
Applied arts is wonderful. It's very much hands-on and it's multidisciplinary. So you're working with clay, you're working with metals, you're working with all different kinds of mediums and materials. It's endless. Applied arts is absolutely endless. The opportunities that you get if you apply to applied arts, it can take you into various different industries. You have so many choices. You could go on to do a contemporary art practice degree. You can go on to the art school. You could start your own business if you want to. The options are so vast.
Our students normally progress to 2 areas. First being higher education. We have links with the majority of the art schools locally and internationally. And the second is industry. We have students who have gone on to work in special effects. We have students who have gone on to work in large design practices. We have many students who work as self-employed, freelancers. The sky really is the limit.
My advice for anybody applying for here is just like have that growth mindset and just go for it. I didn't think I had all the necessary skills to come into this course. I couldn't draw before I came. That was my biggest worry. But we get a lot of lessons. So even if you can't draw, or you can't model, or you're not confident in yourself, I guarantee by the end of the first year, you'll have all those necessary skills. It's a very safe environment, I think, in here, that you feel comfortable enough to mess up, and you learn a lot of other people. Like when I look back at my first project, I'm like, what was that? To now, it's like 2 different people.
My next step is going to uni, and I've applied to lots of different places. The college has been so helpful in the application process and in setting up a portfolio, preparing for interviews, and giving you the skills that you'd need to progress further. My overall goal for my career is to create beautiful conceptual spaces for everyone, and I think this course is setting me up very nicely with continuous improvement and critique on my work.